If something looks too good to be true, it'll eventually be banned by the government. A few days ago, Italy banned DeepSeek outright and removed it from the app stores, followed by bans within government agencies in the United States, Australia, and Taiwan. To make matters worse, a U.S. senator wants to pass a law that bans all Chinese AI and imposes a punishment of up to 20 years in prison for using it. Meanwhile, OpenAI has been scrambling to copy features from its competitors in a last-ditch effort to remain at the forefront of the AI landscape. They just dropped the new O3 mini model, as well as a version with browsing capabilities. Not only that, but they also introduced a bonus feature for $200 pro users called Deep Research, an interesting name choice that seems to be directly copying DeepSeek's UI. What's even more surprising is that Google Gemini released a feature with the exact same name months ago, performing the same function. However, open-source developers responded quickly, creating an open-source version of OpenAI's Deep Research in just 12 hours. If you blinked over the last few days, you likely missed some major AI developments. In today's video, we'll break it all down. It is February 4, 2025, and you're watching the Code Report. Sam Altman recently did a Reddit AMA, making a shocking statement: "We've been on the wrong side of history and need to figure out a different open-source strategy." Some suggest OpenAI should create a new company called Closed AI where they open-source everything. However, in all likelihood, this is just corporate damage control. A year ago, OpenAI could do no wrong, but after going for profit and struggling against DeepSeek, they are now trying to regain momentum. Despite the controversy, OpenAI's O3 models have made waves. O3 Mini is a fast, cheap, and free reasoning model that competes with DeepSeek and even outperforms it on many benchmarks. The free ChatGPT plan now includes access to O3 Mini, sparking debates online about which AI model has the best performance. To settle the debate, I tested O3 Mini, Claude, and DeepSeek by having them build a 2D game in GDevelop, a game engine that uses GDscript. I also had them generate 2D pixel art. In terms of art quality, Claude was the best, followed by DeepSeek, with O3 Mini in last place. However, all three models performed poorly overall. Personally, I refuse to consider any AI as true AGI until it can code a game on the level of GTA 7. When it came to actual game coding, Claude was again the most useful, followed by DeepSeek, with O3 Mini trailing behind. DeepSeek's main issue was that its website was constantly overloaded, and now, the Chinese likely have my game idea. That said, many reports suggest O3 outperforms DeepSeek by a wide margin, so ultimately, the choice depends on the specific use case. Despite OpenAI's comeback, the founder of DeepSeek has become a national hero in China, bringing great honor to his hometown in Guangdong. Another major OpenAI feature, Deep Research, mirrors Google Gemini's tool of the same name. Instead of relying on the base model's hallucinations, Deep Research gathers information from the internet for more accurate responses. This could be incredibly useful for competitor analysis, legal cases, or medical history analysis. My doctor, who subscribes to ChatGPT Pro, recently checked a mole on my arm and suggested I amputate my head. Unfortunately, my lawyer also uses ChatGPT Pro and just got me 10 years in prison for a parking ticket. Sam Altman, known for making big promises, claims Deep Research could perform a single-digit percentage of all economically viable jobs, which, if true, would make OpenAI the most valuable company in the world. However, if you don't want to be on the wrong side of history like OpenAI, you should use open-source technology to get your daily news. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.